So my car decided to give up on me, and after hearing that wick crank, I'm almost certain it's a faulty battery. To confirm it, I ran a quick test, and sure enough, even though the charging state shows 61%, the battery's health is at 12. That usually means a few broken cells or sulfation going on, so I'm going to get it replaced. I went to my local dealer and they wanted €120 for a battery. So I went online and came across this shop that offered the exact same battery for just €80. They sent it from Germany, so I was ready to wait for a week to receive it, but it was at my door after 48 hours. A thing to note is it gets shipped as is, just a label slapped on the side. But the battery looks fine, no dents or scratches. So after removing the label with adhesive remover to clean off the residue to prevent it to collect dust, I ran another test to check the new battery's health. No surprise, it's showing 100% health, so it's ready to install. Before fitting it into the engine bay, I'm cleaning up the connectors, the battery holder and the fuse box to make sure everything's tidy and secure. Battery goes in, I fasten the holder bracket so it doesn't move about, and once everything's back in place, it's time to try if the car starts again. It does. The car gets to live a little longer now.